Hi guys, I'm just checking in again. This is a video for Tuesday today. Please make sure when you are looking at Schoology, you are checking the updates area because that is going to give you the list of things you're going to be doing. I'm going to keep up the video from yesterday and the list of work that you're supposed to do on Monday. So that way, if you were absent, you are able to look through what needed to be done on Monday, and then you can get started on Tuesday's work. But please make sure you are getting everything done because we are working on our DBQ essay. We're going to be writing that next week. If you guys have any questions, please email me. Don't write to me on Schoology, which it looks like some of you did yesterday, which was amazing. So if you guys have any questions or if you need help with anything, you can email me at jahl@linschools.org. If you're in school, remember my email is right next to the smartboard on one of the bulletin boards, so you can email me there. If you write to me on Schoology, I'm probably not going to see it until the end of the day. So if you need anything, please write to me. Please remember to be kind to your substitutes. Try to get your work done as much as you can, and if you need help, reach out for help. If you are working next to somebody who seems to know what they're doing, you can always ask a partner for help as well, as long as we are trying to get our work done. There's no reason you guys can't do this assignment. These assignments are not super difficult. They can be a little tricky when it comes to writing an essay, but in terms of what we're doing this week, it's a lot of just reading and answering questions. All right, once again, if you need anything, reach out. All right, I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow. I'll make another video. Stay healthy. See you later.